Hey guys, I'm going to show y'all how to make a landscape material so you can paint it, have multiple ones, a custom one, we have like multiple layers of your material. Yeah, alright, let's get into it. Let's just start a new project. Island templates, blanked, landscape painting tutorial. Should make it blank. And while that's happening, let's pull up Chrome and wow, that's a lot of stuff. Let's pull up Quixel. This is where I get all my materials. You just sign in through Epic, which is pretty cool. And they're all seamless or whatever that means. Let's say we want to make a forest scene with some asphalt. Make a new folder too. Here we go. Let's download this, make it 2K so it's better for the game. Okay, and then let's choose one other one. You can do as many as you like, by the way. That's something else. Alright, dried pine needle, how about that? Look at that, it looks great. Alright, asphalt and dried pine needle. Alright, let's extract these into our file we made so it's easy to access. Here's our new folder. Extract. Oh, which one was that? Oh no, asphalt. Alright, and here is our debris. I'm going to extract it in the same folder. Can't see it. Alright, now I have that in a separate folder and we're not going to worry about it anymore. Here's our new land, player spawn and everything. Let's delete all of these and go into landscape mode. Here's our, oh great, it's perfect size, really small landscape. All of this looks good. Material, you can set it to anything, but before you do that, don't set it to anything, don't listen to me. Make a new material, call it landscape material tutorial, and let's open that up. Alright, we have it in this new tab. We have all of this, and let's import all of those files we extracted. So we're gonna import the actual texture and the normals. That's all we really need. And actual textual and normal. Alright, now we have these 4 files. Their textures and their respective normals. Let's pull the textures into here. Bam. Bam. For the sake of organization, it does get a little messy, but this is super easy. Alright, we have asphalt, and let's do, pine needles on top, asphalt on bottom. Alright, first things first, we are going to have a layer blend. This is what it is. Landscape layer blend. You're going to right click, type in landscape layer blend. Right here, you're going to add however many materials you want. In this case, we're having 2. You can have as many. I've done up to like 10. Let's do pine needles. That's good. And here we have asphalt. That's good. And all this stuff, you can mess with it. Preview height, weight is just right here. This stuff messes with what color inputs it takes from the image you have. And all of these, don't ask me what those do. Alright, we have both of those. And we're going to pull this layer pine, layer asphalt, right into base color. And immediately we already have our colors sorted out, so that's good. Now, to stop the repeating of it, let's type in landscape chords, get chords. Let's put a value of 1.5. How about that? And that will be, go into our UVs, and this will just multiply it by 1.5. Or, yeah. Alright, let's get our normals in here. Alright, we have, ooh, which one's which? That's pine needle. Over here, we have our pine needle. This one we have our asphalt. Normals. And we have to do the exact same thing we just did with this. So Control C, Control V. Let's grab our pine, our RGBs this time. Or both times. Okay, yep, we have our normals now. I was actually incorrect in saying this. Let's redo that. So you have your landscape layer coordinates. We're gonna do the same number, 1.5, but these connect their, I mean, it doesn't matter for this tutorial because they're both 1.5, but connect to the same normal and texture. And we're doing the same chords. I like how 1.5 looks. Tried around, 2 works pretty good too, 2.5 does too. And is that asphalt? Yeah. And there you go. Now this is gonna work perfectly. If we go back, it'll work perfectly. But we should mess with the metallic roughness and ambient inclusion a little bit. Because right now, if we paint it on, it'll be super shiny. What is it? Scalar value. Or I guess, yeah, scalar parameter's fine. Let's just change this to, it's between 0 and 1 for metallic. 0 is super metallic, 1 is not at all. So let's just do 1. It's dirt and asphalt. Oh yeah, and if you want to do 2 different ones, do landscape layer blend, or just copy the one you already have 2 different numbers. You can use scalar, constant, or vector. Plug it in the respective ones, and then plug it in the metallic. But they're gonna have the same thing for both of these. And then roughness, oh, I switched them. But roughness is the shininess, metallic is, don't listen to me, it's actually 0. And this is also 0 to 1. But let's just do 1. It's not gonna be shiny at all. Alright, save, click apply. That is done. You can mess with ambient inclusion with the files you have, but there's no point in doing that. Alright, now we have this. Drag your landscape material that you just made on here, create, and now some people don't do this, but I like making it, there's no base color, so you can paint on, because I found in this, if there's a base color, it messes with it because you can't paint it and you're gonna have to remove the layers you added. So we have this, let's select pine, let's have some pine needles down here, look at that, it looks amazing. And our asphalt over here, and look at that, perfect. It'll even work if we sculpt it up. It looks good. No, that does not look good, but you get the picture. Yeah. That's it. Super easy. I'll zoom out one more time so you can see everything. And yeah, super easy. And remember, for these, if you want to have multiple values, so say you have a metallic material that you want to paint on, just use one of these and have them come in with multiple values. So say this is like 1, and then you want another one that's 0.5. And then, yeah, just put in their respective ones, and then run that through. Bam. Whoop. Bam. Yeah, and always click apply. Yep. Alright, sounds good. That's all. Thank you. Adios.